What's the difference between trading traditional options versus Nadex options?
Well, at the end of the day, it's trading. It's just a different product. There's certainly a difference in approach to trading a stock, whether that's Apple, Tesla, whatever the case may be, trading a binary option, trading an equity option on a particular equity. Regardless of any of those three routes that you want to take, one requires a bit of education, so understanding what you're doing, what you're getting into, but it also takes preparation, doing your homework, having a reason for getting into that particular trade, having an outcome or a defined outcome in your head of what you're looking to achieve, and then having a game plan for how you're going to manage that, rather than just flying blindly. So when you look at a binary option, again, simply, it's a yes, no question. So it's a bit more simplistic than trading a stock option. There are certainly some complexities with stock options when you get into Greeks and understanding time decay and so on and so forth, and how volatility goes into the pricing of that option that comes with the stock option. But the approach at its core in trading, it's really no different. It's the same approach for either one, regardless of whatever complexity or lack of complexity there may be.
I think I just add to that because I think it's very important for people to understand, and I've heard this so many times over the years, that it's a different market. It's not. It's the same market. You're just expressing your view in a little bit different way. So there's some nuances, which take some understanding. But if you're already trading and you do your analysis, and you've already been trading, it's still about risk management. All the same concepts are the same. You're just expressing your view in a little bit different way.